Greetings and fluffy salutations, phone fans. Grab those bourbon biscuits, top up your teacup, and get ready for another incredibly random video. But first, let's find out what's for brekkie today.
A trifle, I think. Well, I have to because it's not going to survive being out of the fridge. Don't want it to go to waste or anything. No, that would be terrible.
1 minute, 37 seconds later.
Ah, that was nice. I think I might have to have trifle more often actually in the morning. Sugar rush! It's an exciting day today. Today is the day we get the new fridge. I thought it was going to be next week, but it turns out it's today, and I've discovered this yesterday. So yes, it's a bit chaotic, but I like chaos. Chaos is good, and it's snowing as well, which is really excellent. Hold on 2 seconds. Whee! Real snow. The hallway is actually not quite tidy, but you know, nearly. The fridge. That's the old one, not the new one, because it hasn't come yet. Look, isn't it? That's the old one. Goodbye, farewell. Huggies. Old faithful. That's behind the fridge. You should have seen it before I cleaned it. It was not nice. Want to see inside? Yes, it's a bit messy because I really couldn't see the point in wasting effort, so I didn't. And there's the other bit which hasn't actually worked for about a year, so won't miss that. That's it. Can't wait for it to come. It should be coming in about anytime in about an hour, 2 hours. Yes, it's good because I actually get my Christmas clean done as well, which is always a good thing.
Refresh those teacups yet again, because it's time for the very first episode of the Tantalising Tales of Ballyho Brick, Special Agent. Tonight, or today, or whatever non-linear time stream you are currently in, we gasp with thrills as our hero faces one of his many mortal enemies. Wasn't that smashing? Tune in again sometime for more cracking adventures with our favorite brick.
Might not have been such a good idea to have that trifle.
Hurrah! We've made it to the end. I'd like to say it was a pleasure, but it wasn't. Please remember to make it all worthwhile and press that little like button. You can even subscribe, so you'll never miss another video again. Ta-ta for now.